to Draws.
Hi, my name is Kurt and this is my studio. Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw step by step a blue jay. This isn't some ordinary blue jay. This blue jay loves the blues. Come on, let's get in the studio and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, first thing we're going to do is to draw a oval. This is going to represent the bottom part of his body, and I'm thinking in volume here. Now we're going to go straight up on the right side and have a nice curve coming down, nice arc. And now I'm just going to try and place where I think his head is going to go. And coming in with a straight line for his hat as well. Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, go down there and give me a thumbs up. You got this. Moving on to his beak. I noticed that a lot of blue jays' beaks they're long and they're a little bit round on the end. Let's get his very cool sunglasses in here. And they're drawn a little bit of an angle. Here's the front of his body now. Another kind of a nice smooth straight line. You know what? One thing when we do draw, we want to draw with smooth, long strokes. A lot of times I see students aren't sure of their strokes, so they will like do little bits, almost like they're chopping as they go along, like little hash marks, and you really want to get comfortable with making a long stroke. That's one reason why I say to draw lightly. If you draw lightly, you can kind of get a feel for your stroke before you put in something a little bit darker. Here I am putting in my wings, and of course the feathers at the end are much longer as before you get up to the ones closer to the top of his wing. Just trying to give some texture here of fluffiness. Getting his rear tails here. Trying to think of dividing this by 3. 3 is a great number. It keeps things in odds, and a lot of times when we draw things with even numbers, it gets too what's the word? It gets unnatural almost. It looks too orderly. So 3s are a great number. Okay, we got his feet in here, and again, I'm just drawing lightly here, getting all my texture in. All right, we're almost here to where we're going to start darkening our lines, and if you need to, this is a great time to pause the video so you can get your underdrawing set up. And I'm just going to come in here and darken the lines to give emphasis to certain ones. And you can look to the left and see what I've done for further direction there. If you haven't already, a big thumbs up if you don't mind going down to the video here and giving a thumbs up. It helps YouTube to spread this out to more people. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, we're coming up to our 5-minute mark, and I think you can see where we're going with this. If you'd like to color your bluebird, your blue jay, I have a reference to show you how I've colored mine. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.